Today we're going to dive into the area of website analysis. Using a powerful Python application, the first step is to capture the website's name from the user. The website name function prompts the user for input and checks the format of the entered URL. The function generates an in-depth analysis by considering various factors like usability, user experience, visual design, and accessibility. Next, we ask the user to name the PDF file where the analysis will be saved. With the PDF file name ready, we move on to generating the PDF with the help of Generate PDF function. Finally, we wrap up the process with a confirmation message that the PDF has been saved successfully. Now we can see that the program has generated and saved a complete analysis of the website in PDF format. We can access and read it whenever we want. The PDF name function ensures the user doesn't include the .pdf extension in the file name, keeping the process streamlined and error-free. And for a fun touch, we use the tux character from the cause library to cheerfully announce the completion of the analysis. This concludes our tutorial on building a website analysis tool in Python. You've seen how to combine different libraries to create a seamless process, from user input to generating a polished PDF report. Thanks for watching.